Hello students, today we will be doing property of intercepts made by three parallel lines. So the statement is, if we have three parallel lines cut by transversals, then the ratio of the intercepts made on one transversal is equal to ratio of the intercepts made on any other transversal. So in this figure we have three lines L, M and N which are parallel to each other, and the transversals are T1 and T2. They intersect the lines at various points A, B, C, and the other transversal is intersecting the lines at point P, Q and R. So as per the given condition, what we have is, it is given to you that line L is parallel to line M and it is also parallel to line N. And what we are supposed to prove is, you have to prove that the ratio of the intercepts made on one transversal is equal to ratio of the intercepts made on any other transversal. So here we have transversal T1 and T2. On transversal T1, if you observe, the intercepts are AB and BC. So ratio will be AB upon BC. And on the next transversal, intercepts are PQ and QR. So the ratio will be PQ upon QR. So that is what we are supposed to prove. You have to prove that AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So for this you need to join point P with point C. So when you join point P with point C, it intersects line M at a new point. We can assume the point as D. Now if you observe the figure carefully, you have a triangle ACP where line M is parallel to line L. That is, in short, we can consider BD parallel to AP. So once again observe the triangle. In triangle ACP, we have BD parallel to one of the side of the triangle, which means that we can apply basic proportionality theorem. So according to that, we can consider triangle ACP where BD is parallel to AP. Therefore, by applying basic proportionality theorem, we get the ratio as AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. So this you can mark it as your equation 1, and the reason is BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. Now next, observe triangle PCR. In triangle PCR, once again line M is parallel to line N. So you can consider DQ parallel to CR. So in triangle PCR, we have DQ parallel to one of the side of the triangle. So once again we can apply basic proportionality theorem. So now next, the triangle which we are considering is triangle PCR where DQ is parallel to CR. Therefore, once again by basic proportionality theorem, the ratio will be PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. We can mark it as equation 2. The reason remains same. It is basic proportionality theorem. Now if you compare equation 1 and 2, observe the equation 1 and 2 carefully. We can see that PD upon DC is common in both the equations. So PD upon DC is the common ratio in both the equation, which means that you can conclude that AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So we can conclude that AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR, and the reason is from step number 1 and 2. According to step number 1, you have AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. According to step number 2, we have PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. So in both the equation, PD upon DC is the common ratio. Therefore, we can conclude AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So this is the property based on intercepts of three parallel lines.